guys, and welcome to Delicate Flavors with Pallavi. India, a land of immense variety of flatbreads. Every region has its own speciality. Today we will see one such very popular speciality, the Sindhi Koki, which originates from the region of Sindh. So Sindhi Masala Koki is made with very easy ingredients and it is loved by all. Let us start making Sindhi Masala Koki or Sindhi Koki.
Our delicious, flaky, crispy, savory masala koki is ready, and just look at the texture. See how flaky it is. We are making masala koki. For that, what we will take is 1 cup. See, you can see here it is 1 cup of whole wheat flour or atta, and I have taken another 2/3 cup, but I have just filled in half, so it is 1½ cup of wheat flour, and this is half a cup of besan or gram flour or chickpea flour, into which first is we will add the onions. This is 1 onion, big, finely chopped. You can see how finely chopped it is. We will add this, and to this we will add salt. We are going to make a koki, masala koki, which is kind of a paratha type. It is a Sindhi speciality. For that, what we will do is we will mix the onion first with the flour. We have also added salt so that the onion leaves some water. If we start adding the water right now and making the dough, then it will become a loose dough. So we will add the onion and leave it aside for about 10 minutes or so. It is 10 minutes and the onions have left the water, and the water must be absorbed in the flour. Into this flour now we will start adding the ingredients one by one. We will add a handful of coriander, finely chopped coriander. This is roasted cumin seeds. I have just crushed it, and this is roasted caraway seeds or ajwain. So in go this. This is about 1 spoon and this is half a spoon. Next we will add some chili powder. This is hot chili powder. It is not Kashmiri chili powder, and this is some turmeric, half a spoon or less. Then we will add in some kasuri methi. This is 1 big spoon of kasuri methi, and this is chili paste. This is paste of 3 chilies. You can take the chilies as per your choice, or you can finely chop them. We will mix all these ingredients into the flour. Now I will put in a good amount of oil, at least 2 big spoons. Yes, this is how it goes. I will mix the oil into the flour. After mixing the oil, this is how the flour has become. Now we want to knead it into a dough. We will start adding some water. We should add water very carefully, that should be enough, and then we will start mixing and making a smooth dough. I had put 20 ml of water, and this is how the dough is. I will put another 10 ml of water and make a dough. This is how we want the dough. Now this is after adding 25 to 30 ml of water. Be very careful when you are adding water. Now I'll just make a smooth dough of this. So this is finally how the dough has gotten to be. We do not rest this dough. We start making the koki right away. Making the koki, I've just taken some oil on my hand and I will make roundels of this, about this size approximately. So I'll just make some balls and keep them ready. For the proportion which I had taken, it has given me 6 masala koki balls. Now we will start rolling them out, and we will see the technique of rolling as well as frying the paratha on the pan. Now before we start rolling the paratha, I have kept the pan for heating on a slow flame. For rolling the paratha, you take any flat surface you are comfortable, wherever, and you will just put some dry flour and start rolling it out. We do not have to make it very thin. So just roll out this much, not a very lot, not thin. Towards the edges and in the center. This is pretty much how it should be, like it is about this thick. I'll just pierce it with a fork. The pan is nice and hot, and I will put this koki onto the pan. I will just increase the flame for 10 seconds and then again put it on a low flame. I will allow here 30 seconds of cooking time on one side and then I will turn it over. It is 30 seconds. I will just try and flip this and check it. It is not yet brown. We will allow it to fry on the other side for 30 seconds, and meanwhile what we will do, we will take about half a spoon of ghee. You can use oil, butter, anything of your choice. And now I am just increasing the flame to a little medium. It is 30 seconds on the other side, and now we will just flip it. Yes, it is becoming brown. Here on this side I am again laying over half a spoon of ghee. How much ghee to add is your choice, but be reasonable so that it will taste nice and good. It's a traditional recipe, and we will wait for another 30 seconds now. It is 30 seconds on the other side. Let us flip. Yes, it's turning golden brown. Let it cook for another 30 seconds. I will lower the flame here at a very low flame. Allow it to cook. Nice and crispy and flaky, like a soft scrumptious paratha cookie, something like that. This 30 seconds on the other side too. The total cooking time for one koki will be about 2 minutes, plus minus 2 minutes, more than 1.5 and in between 2 minutes. So we will just wait for 20 seconds more until it browns there, and then we will take off this koki. Let us give a final flip and check and take it out. Yes, it is done. I'm taking this out now. So this koki is ready, and I will take it out and keep it on a wire rack. Meanwhile, I have already rolled out another koki which we will lay it on the pan. So the second koki is on the pan, and I will just put the flame to slow medium, low medium, and allow it to cook in the similar manner. Our second koki is also getting ready, so I will just allow maybe 10 seconds of time to brown from the other side and take it off. So second koki is ready here on the pan. I will just pull it out on the wire rack, and in the similar manner I will complete all 6 koki and get back to you maybe in 15-20 minutes or so. So you see that our masala kokis are ready. With the proportion that I had taken, I have about 6 kokis, exactly 6 kokis ready, and I have served it with nice fresh homemade curd and the pickle of your choice. Here I have taken raw mango pickle.
This bread is very unique, and you can just have it on its own. You do not need any accompaniment. It goes well with any and every accompaniment. I hope you have liked this recipe. For many such recipes, stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon. Connect to me in the comment section below. You can share your pictures with me on Instagram. By the time I see you with a brand new episode and a brand new recipe, bye for now.